Hello everyone, welcome to all of you. Today I am discussing previous year question of a life. Let's start the question number 56. Under which article of the Constitution can a judge of High Court be transferred? Option A Article 220, B Article 221, C Article 222, D Article 223. The correct answer is option number C Article 222. If I talk about Article 220, it restricts the retired judge of High Court or Supreme Court, and Article 221 it deal with the allowance salary of the judge of High Court, and Article 223 it deal with the Supreme Court High Court judges to when he unable to perform his duty, then president is appoint another judge of Supreme Court or High Court. Question number 57. Idea of directive principle of state policies has been borrowed from constitution of which country? Option A Britain, B Ireland, C USA, D France. The correct answer is option number B Ireland. The Constitution of India, the article of DPSPs start from 36 to 51, and its main purpose to welfare state. Question number 58. Communist Party of India Marxist was founded in which year? Option A 1930, B 1925, C 1950, D 1964. The correct answer option number D 1964. Question number 59. To be recognized as national party in India, a party must have secured in the previous election at least. Option A 10% of valid vote in favor or more states, B 4% of valid votes in 4 or more states, C 15% of valid votes in 2 states, D none of the above. The correct answer option number D none of the above. Question number 60. Which article of Indian Constitution provide the right to form a political party? Option A Article 132, B Article 111, C Article 32, D none of the above. The correct answer option number D none of the above. If I talk about Article 32, it deals with the right to constitutional remedies. Question number 61. Where do plants store resin and gums? Option A old phloem, B old xylem, C chloroplast, D etioplast. The correct answer option B old xylem. Question number 62. What is the major driving force for movement of water in the xylem during the day? Option A root pressure, B transpirations, C photosynthesis, D gutations. The correct answer option number B transpiration. Question number 63. What do gastric gland secrete? Option A HCl only, B HCl and pepsin only, C HCl pepsin and mucus, D HCl amylase and mucus. The correct answer option number C HCl pepsin and mucus. Question number 64. In human beings, where does peristaltic movements occurs? Option A all along the gut, B in the heart, C in the lungs, D in the kidney. The correct answer option number A all along the gut. Question number 65. Which of the following processes does not involve a chemical reaction? Option A digestion, B respiration, C melting of candle wax on heating, D excretions. The correct answer option number C melting of candle wax on heating. Question number 66. What happens when oils and fat are oxidized? Option A they become rancid and their taste changes, B they become sweet, C they turn black, D oils become solid and fats remains liquid. The correct answer option number A they became rancid and their taste changes. Question number 67. What product is formed upon burning of magnesium ribbon? Option A magnesium hydroxide, B magnesium dioxide, C magnesium oxide, D manganese oxide. The correct answer option number C magnesium oxide. Question number 71. Where did Mahatma Gandhi discover and use satyagraha as a technique for political struggle for the first time? Option A England, B South Africa, C USA, D India. The correct answer option number B South Africa. Question number 72. Which one of the following according to Mahatma Gandhi is the main pillar of communal harmony? Option A atheism, B socialism, C Sarvadharma Sambhav, D Swadeshi. The correct answer option number D C Sarvadharma Sambhava. Question number 73. In which of the following languages was the book Hind Swaraj originally written? Option A Gujarati, B Hindi, C English, D Marathi. The correct answer option number B Gujarati. Question number 74. Which one of the following journal was not edited by Mahatma Gandhi? Option A Indian Opinion, B Young India, C Harijan, D New India. The correct answer option number D, New India. This is written by Annie Besant. Question number 75. Against which one of the following did Mahatma Gandhi undertake fast on to death in 1932? Option A, separate electorates for depressed classes. B, Hindu-Muslim communal rights. C, death sentence against revolutionary nationalists. D, violence at Chora Chori. The correct answer option number A, separate electorate for depressed classes. Question number 76. Under which one of the following organization was a movement launched by Mahatma Gandhi to register protest against the Rowlatt Bill in 1919? Option A, INC. B, Satyagraha Sabha. C, Congress Khilafat Committee. D, Swaraj Party. The correct answer option number B, Satyagraha Sabha. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please do share it. Thank you.